Yan! Aanoyin na lang yung wait lang po. Wait lang po. Sayaw po, sayaw po. Ang mga sayaw po. Ito po ang mga mundo. Ito. Ito po ang mga mundo. Ito po ang mga mundo. Teka lang. Ayan na. Dapat nakaupo tayo para sa YouTube eh. Dapat po, nakaupo upo kami. Ito po, sa gitna. Wait a minute!
Dito na si Chito Miranda, nandito na si Kiko, si Francis Magalona, nandito na si Cloud9, wala siyang apelido, magbabaksakan dito in 5, 4, 3, 2.
Hindi ka nagpipigil ka mula sa kalangka, ilo mo naman tulusip sa sininda. Pag mapatumba, dapat mga isip ka na rin na maganda at madulas ng pagtigkas. At pagkakainig kami Pilipino na Pilipino, nakikinig sa mga pagpilo ko. Di siya ba nagugulat sa mga naganap, hindi na kung ba't ako sugat. Para bang palagin na pumilit na kami, talagang sinusulit ang pagiging makulit. Kailangan galingan, pinakakita pa ka ng pilo ng parokya at ang aming samahan. Chef, paano to wala na akong masabi. Ngunit kailangan humalo ng mga lapit ng ito. Kunyari, ang babakasakali na magaling. Hindi mo kaya nasali na tapos na si Chito Miranda, si Kiko, si Francis Magalona, nandito rin si Cloud9, wala siyang apelido, magpapagsakan dito, papalag na si Chito. Pilino, Usio, Ingrid, Suzo, Mexico, Barabori, Barabori, Orlando, Miniling,
Mga kaibigan,
ito na si Kiko at kasama ko si Chito at si Cloud9, bilis lang, the rock fight, sino mapigilan mo sa mga salita sa akin, pagkakatain, ang bumata, ang bumata, nakikapapahama sa talento, ang taga-talento, baka mandalino na ngayon nakatira sa antipolo, sumasaklolo sa mga hip-hop, pwede ka rin dito, pwede rin trip-lap, siglang kasama ng parokya, para mulagaan ang kailangan di mapokya, di mo na kasama malaman ko bakit ka, kami lahat may nagsama-sama, mic check ka para nagsaring ng pwersa, flex magalaw na black na ng parokya, 1, 2, 3, 4, let's go! Chito Miranda, tapos na rin si Kiko, si Francis Magalona, nandito na si Cloud9, wala siyang apelido, magpapagsakan dito, kailangan na mag-iyak at ang
Itok na natin. Itok ang lagi si, akin mo na. Kasi naman talaga eh. Ikaw naman, susunod ko eh. Ikaw lagi. Sabi mo, ikaw lagi. Yun, palagi ako ah. Nagtatakot! Dito, bayan magiging yun. It's in my airplane, my stars. I can really use a wish right now. It's in my airplane, my stars. I can really use a wish right now. Yeah, I can choose between never dreaming or a wish. To go back to a place much simpler than this. After all the knowledge and the smash and the crashing, when all the clicks and the
lab and the classroom, and all the pandemonium and all the madness. There comes a time when you fade to the blackness, and you staring at the phone and no light, and you hoping but the people never happen. Oh, that's cold. You get another hand soon after you flown. And when your plans unravel in the sand, what you wish? If you had one day, so rain up, rain over your I'm with my face and I'm close that day. And I don't make that shit, I'm with my right now. Well, get it by the year, but I'm not mad at everything. Last night, I shouldn't start. Right now, it's right now, it's right now. I'm mad at everything. Last night, I shouldn't start. Right now, it's right now, it's right now. Somebody take me back to the days before it was a job, before I got paid, before it ever mattered what I had in my plate. Till back when I was trying to do it softly, and back when I was rapping from the elephant. But nowadays we rapping the state jealousy. I'm guessing that if you can make some wishes out of airplanes, then maybe show me I go back to the days before the numbers every color rap brain. And back when ain't nobody listened to my mistakes. And back before I tried to cover all of my strain. But even though they ain't a work hard, I've been waiting. So when I get up with you, you be the competition. And you better know you this shit. So here I stand, and then again I say, I'm hoping we can make some wishes out of airplanes.
You can sing that last night, I shouldn't
Today I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna lay in my bed. Don't feel like picking up my phone, so leaving that shit at the I'm gonna keep my feet up and stare at the fan. Turn the TV on, throw my hand in my pants. Nobody's gonna tell me I can't. I'm on the couch, just chilling in my study. Put the MTV so they can teach me how to dougie. 'Cause in my castle, I'm the thinking man. Oh yes, I said it. Today I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna lay in my bed. Don't feel like picking up my phone, so leave a message after the song. Today I swear I'm not doing She's gonna scream out. Oh, I bet my old melody is so proud of me. Sorry, you just have to wait. I just wanna lay in my bed. I'm picking up my phone, so leave a message after the song. Today I swear I'm not doing anything. No, 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 no. I just wanna lay in my bed. Don't feel like picking up my phone, so leave a message at the tone. 'Cause today I swear I'm not doing anything. Nothing at all.
Wala. Labot tayo iyan ko. Ito naman, yasan na yun.
Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep on. Got me singing like na 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 every day's like my iPod stuck on repeat. Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep on. Got me singing like na 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 every day's like my iPod stuck on repeat. With your friends, I was scared to approach you, but then you came closer, hoping you would give me a chance. Who would have ever knew that we would ever be more than friends? In all your boots, she like a song played again and again. That girl like something of a poster. That girl is a damn they say. That girl is a gun to my holster. She's running through my mind all day. Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep out. Got me singing like na 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 every day. I was like a replay. Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep out. Got me singing like na 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 every day. Like my eyeballs like a replay. Looking all around the globe, now once did you leave my mind? We talked on the phone from that to more. Girl, you really changed my life. Doing things I never knew. The things she likes, her big old white, breaking all the rules. Someday I wanna make you my wife. That girl like something of a poster. That girl is a damn they say. That girl is a gun to my holster. And she's running through my mind all day. Hey, Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep on singing like. Every day's like my eyeballs like a replay. Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep on singing like. Every day's like my eyeballs like a replay. I can be your melody.
Uy, bakit to? Tap. Ano man?
She got me singing, Shawty's like a melody in my
Ayun na,
head
teka.
that I can't keep out. Got me singing like
Dahil mo.
days like my eyeballs like a replay. Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep out. Got me singing like every day's like my eyeballs like a replay.
Ayun na. Yan. Ayun na. Nanginisita. Ayun na. Ayun na. Inside mo. Ano yan? Oh, dito mo ba? Ano na?
Ko sa'yo, itaga sa bato. Ang pangako sa'yo ay hindi mababago. Karasama ka, inilibot kita sa kalasyo ng pusong ikaw ang prinsesa. Ako ay ulitin hanggang sundinan.
Lahat ng ito ko.
Kahit
Akong anak